How to add a payment method to GoDaddy or on GoDaddy. First of all, make sure you sign in. Now go to your profile icon or your name. Now go ahead to the my product section. So let it load. It'll take some time to load. Once it loads, you'll have to scroll down. Yeah, uh, you can see there are different plans. So you'll simply go ahead and you can see there are like different plans. You can simply go ahead, you can start for free. You'll have to, yeah, simply go ahead, accept, also to insert. So once you're here, once you make a proper product account, you could see there might be popping your manage your account just below this offer. So you'll press on manage. So once you press on manage, you'll head on towards the different kinds of plants, and then in your plant section you can see at the left side of your screen you can see stores option written. So once you go to that store option, you'll be able to see settings. So simply press on that settings. Once you press on settings, you will be able to see different options at that settings. You can see payments, and then according to your reason you can see different of the payment methods by which you could get paid. So you can simply select PayPal, which is the most convenient, of course. Also, you can accept offline payments like payment in form of cash, check, bank, and etc. You can enable that as well. So that's for the video. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.